Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to change the voice on Google Maps. You can do this in two ways. The first method is to reduce the intensity of the voice. Here, you click on Google Maps and then you click on your profile picture. Then you click on Settings and you click on Navigation, which is the first option here. After that, you can either choose for the voice to be softer, normal, or louder. At default, the voice is normal. In order to change the accent and the language of the voice, you have to go to Settings on iPhone. You scroll down to General, you click on it, and then you scroll down and click on Language and Region. On the region section, you can choose United Kingdom, United States, and different countries and languages. Mind you that any language you select here will also affect the whole iPhone settings. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.